All right, good afternoon, everyone. Give me I believe Mr. Morales is having an issue with his audio there. All right, well, we're here for the small claims pretrial conference docket. This is the 1:30 docket. I apologize. We were having connectivity issues here at the courthouse. Hopefully we've gotten that resolved and we'll be able to stay connected. Who do I have for Naples HMA doing as Physicians Regional?
Yes, Your Honor. Adekemi Akinwale.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Well, Your Honor, and yourself?
I'm doing well, thank you. So right now we only have one defendant who's present. Looks like Eliezer Morales, 20 SC 2487. However, he seems to be having some connectivity issues himself, and his audio is not connected. So we'll give him a moment. Now, it's possible we may have had others, and in fact, I know I got a couple of messages that said people were in the waiting room. They may have given up on us.
Oh, okay.
So I am tempted to continue. Looks like we have 10 cases on the 1:30 docket. I'm tempted to continue those. Let me see if I can send a message here to Mr. Morales to connect his audio.
It doesn't say connecting anymore. Mr. Morales, are you there?
No, he can't hear us.
Oh, okay.
When I look at participants, it tells me whether or not their audio is connected.
Oh, gotcha. Sorry, Your Honor.
Oh, that's okay. Let me see. All right, well, we do have someone else joining us now. Who do I have on the line? 239-595-0273. Are you there? 239-595-0273. You'll have to unmute your phone. I believe it's *2. All right. Well, all right, that person's having problems, but it looks like Mr. Morales has his audio connected. Mr. Morales, are you there?
Hello? I can hear.
You can hear me, okay. All right, Mr. Morales, this is case number 20 SC 2487, Naples HMA, doing business as Physicians Regional Medical Center in Collier. And have you all had, let me go to the plaintiff's counsel. Have you had an opportunity to try to reach any type of settlement or mediation in this case?
Yes, I do, sir. I have done it 3 times. For some reason, those 3 times, they start making I start making the payments, and I don't know where they don't collect the money anymore. 3 of those times I have tried to reach out to them to make the payments.
Okay. All right, plaintiff, what do you have for a response?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor. I don't have any notes in my a payment arrangement set up. I'm not sure if there might be another debt, but I'm happy to get that set up with him today.
Okay.
Yeah, that could be good. I mean, we could do that.
Okay. Do you want me to put you in a breakout room, or how do you want to proceed? Or do you?
I think a breakout would be great, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, and then when you come back, we'll figure out where we're at.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, and all right, who do I have on the phone? 239-842-0490.
Hello.
Hi, this is Judge Blake Adams. Who do I have on the line?
Hi, my name is Davies Arias.
Give me a moment to find your case. What's the last name again? What was the last name again?
Arias, A-R-I-A-S.
Okay. You're scheduled at 2:30.
Yeah, at 2:30.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was at 2.
Let me just check that again, but I'm showing you on the docket for 2:30.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 2:30.
Okay, I guess I'll call back.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye. Hi, who do I have on the line? 248-396-3211.
This is Andrew Zimmerman.
With a Z?
With a C as in Charles.
Okay, thank you. Let me find your case. All right, Mr. Zimmerman, I'm showing that your case is set for 2:30. Can you call back then?
Yes, I'll do my best, okay?
Okay, very good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you. Bye.
All right, bye-bye. Good afternoon, Ms. Dennison. I'm Judge Blake Adams. We're just waiting on the plaintiff's attorney to rejoin us. All right, and then we'll call your case.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. All right. Counsel, did you work out anything with Mr. Morales?
Yes, Your Honor. We're going to send him an electronic settlement agreement. He'll review it and sign it, and we'll get it filed with the court shortly.
All right. So what I'm doing is I'm doing orders directing you to file the settlement agreement or to set up mediation within 14 days. Do you think 14 days is sufficient, or do you need more time than that?
I think 14 days should be sufficient. Mr. Morales, are you in agreement? I think his phone might be stuck in the breakout room.
Let's see. Yeah, I don't see it there, but
I can hear now.
there we go. Okay. Mr. Morales, do you think you can get that settlement agreement back within 14 days?
I'll try to get it done today, sir.
Oh, okay. Ms. Morales, do you have an email address?
Yeah, it's going to be Morales Eliza 903 at gmail.com.
That was 903, is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 903 at gmail.com.
All right, we'll issue an order directing the plaintiff to file a settlement within 14 days or schedule it for mediation. Mr. Morales, you'll receive a copy of that. If you don't see it in your inbox by tomorrow morning, check your junk or spam folder, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Morales. Have a good day.
You do the same, sir.
Thank you. All right, next case we've got is Tara Dennison. Am I saying that correctly?
Yes, Tara Dennison.
Okay, and let me find the case number here. It's actually on the 2 o'clock docket. We'll go ahead and take it since you're here and it's almost 2 anyway. Case number 20 SC 2488. All right, and Ms. Okunwale, have you had an opportunity to speak with Ms. Dennison or try to reach a settlement agreement?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Do you think this case might be appropriate for mediation?
Would we be able to speak briefly, Your Honor, to see if we can settle it today? If not, we can proceed to mediation.
All right, Ms. Dennison, are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and then we'll have you come back and you can let me know how you want to proceed, okay?
Okay.
Understood, Your
All right. Okay. Let me see who I've got on the phone on 239-595-0273.
Yes, this is Raul Gata.
Okay, give me one moment to find your case. All right, 20 SC 1959. All right, Mr. Gata, if you'll just hang on the line with us, we'll recall your case when Ms. Okunwale returns out of the breakout room, okay?
No problem. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, Ms. Akinwale, did you have an opportunity to speak with Ms. Dennison?
Yes, Your Honor, and we did reach an agreement. We'll send a settlement agreement shortly. I'm assuming the same order, mediation in 14 days if we don't get the settlement agreement filed.
Correct. Is that enough time on this case?
I do believe so. Ms. Dennison, are you in agreement?
I am.
All right. Ms. Dennison, what's your email address?
T like Tom, L, D like dog, freedom, 2015 at gmail.com.
All right, perfect. We'll email you a copy of the, excuse me, we'll email you a copy of that order. If you don't see it in your inbox by tomorrow, just check your junk or spam folder, okay?
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Dennison. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, let's go to, we've got Raul Gata.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Gata, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. This is case number 20 SC 1959, Naples HMA, Physicians Regional Medical Center, Pine Ridge. All right, Ms. Akinwale, have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Gata about trying to reach an agreement in this case?
And it looks like we're still in negotiations. So if we can have a moment in a breakout room, that'll be great.
All right. Will that be okay with you, Mr. Akinwale? Or I'm sorry, Mr. Gatto?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, give me one moment.
Great.
Your Honor, did you mean to put me in the breakout room?
Yes.
I'm still here. I'm not sure if there was another phone number on the screen. I think that one got placed in the breakout room.
Well, I think he was appearing via video and phone number.
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't get the prompt to join.
Well, I've got you assigned to it. Let me try doing it again.
Okay, sorry about that. Thank you, Your Honor.
That's okay. Are you covering all cases today for the afternoon docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I think if I just do a room 1, then we might be able to just go to the breakout room. Sorry, Mr. Gatto, we were having a technical difficulty here. We're going to try it again.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Give me one moment.
No problem.
All right. And Mr. Gata, are you outside?
I'm in my car.
Oh, you're in your car. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're not using a Galaxy A01?
No, I have an iPhone. I called. I didn't do the Zoom. I just did it through teleconference.
Okay. All right. Very good. All right. I'm going to put you and Ms. Akinwale in the breakout room now.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Hello?
Can you tell me your name?
Vernon Rodriguez.
All right, give me a moment here, Mr. Rodriguez.
Sorry about that. I was having trouble trying to figure out how to use this.
That's okay. We were having problems and couldn't get connected earlier ourselves. Okay, when Ms. Akinwale returns from the breakout room, we'll call your case next, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on mute until then.
All right.
Thank you.
Hello, Your Honor. This is Adekemi Akinwale back from the breakout room.
All right, and Ms. Akinwale, what did you, were you able to accomplish anything?
Yes, Your Honor. We did reach an agreement. Mr. Gata is stuck in the breakout room because he's just on a phone call. Oh, there he is. Okay, great.
I think he's back with us now.
Hello?
Yes.
Mr. Gata?
Yes, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. So we were able to reach an agreement, Your Honor, and we are sending that electronically as well. We should get that to you shortly. I think 14 days should be sufficient for Mr. Gatto to get the settlement agreement back to us. Are you in agreement, Mr. Gatto?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Okay,
right.
we'll get that to you shortly.
All right, very good. Mr.
All right.
Gatto, could I get an email address from you so we can send you a copy of the court's order?
Yes, sir. It's ELGATA1993 at iCloud.com.
iCloud.com?
Yes, sir.
All right, very good. I've got that. All right, we'll send you a copy of the order and make sure that you get that settlement agreement returned so they can get that filed, okay?
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Mr. Gatto. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, the next case we have is Naples HMA LLC doing business as Physicians Regional Medical Center Pine Ridge v. Vernon Rodriguez, case number 20 SC1994, and we have Mr. Rodriguez present. Good afternoon again.
Hello.
All right, Ms. Akamwali, have you had an opportunity to try to reach a settlement agreement with Mr. Rodriguez?
No, Your Honor, but if we could have a brief moment, that would be great.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, are you in agreement with that?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put you both in a breakout room in that case, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, good afternoon. Do I have Patricia Mills there?
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's all right. This is Judge Blake Adams. Ms. Mills, your case is on the 2:30 docket, so if I could just have you hang tight and we'll call your case when we're ready for you, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put your microphone back on mute.
Thank you.
All right, looks like we have Ms. Akinwale and Mr. Rodriguez back with us. Ms. Akinwale, were you able to reach any type of agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, we were, and I'll be sending that to him electronically to sign, and we should be able to get that back to you within 14 days.
All right, is that correct, Mr. Rodriguez?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Rodriguez, do you have an email address that we could send copies of the court order to?
Yes, sir. It's Rodriguez Vernon 019@gmail.com. So last name, first name 019.
What was after Vernon?
019.
Thank you. And that was at Gmail?
Yes, sir.
All right, I've got it. Okay, you'll get a copy of that court order. If you don't receive that by tomorrow morning, check your junk or spam folder, okay?
All righty.
All right, thank you, Mr. Rodriguez. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and go, Ms. Akinwale, to the 2 o'clock docket. We do have a case, or the 2:30 docket. We have Naples HMA LLC v. Patricia Mills, case number 20 SC2179. And we do have Ms. Mills present. Ms. Mills, can
Yes,
you
sir.
hear us? Okay, very good. All right.
Oh, I'm sorry, that was plaintiff's attorney, Your Honor.
I'm sorry.
That was me that spoke. That was me, Adekemi Akinwale, that spoke. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. All right, but Ms. Mills, you can hear us okay, right? Ms. Mills, are you there? Okay, well, she may be having technical difficulties. Oh, wait. Ms. Mills, can you hear us? Yes, we can hear you now.
Okay, sorry.
That's all right. All right, Ms. Akinwale, have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Mills about any type of settlement in this case?
No, Your Honor.
All right, would you like an opportunity to do that, or do you think we should go ahead and send this to a mediator to discuss?
If Ms. Mills is agreeable, I would like to have a moment with her, if that's okay, Your Honor.
That is fine.
Ms. Mills, that's okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, let me set up a breakout room here. All right, Ms. Mills and Ms. Akinwale, I've got that breakup room set up. You should be getting notification to join it now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, while we're waiting for Ms. Akinwale and Ms. Mills to finish, let me find out who else I've got in the courtroom. Who do I have at 239-842-0490?
Hi, my name is Daylise Arias.
All right. Good afternoon again, Ms. Arias. Okay, let me find your case. As soon as Ms. Akinwale, who's the plaintiff's attorney, returns to the courtroom, we'll call your case, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. I'm gonna put you back on mute. All right, and who do I have whose screen name is iPhone? Hello, can you tell me your name?
Javier. Javier Roque Hernandez.
Ah, very good. All right, I've got you here. All right, when the plaintiff's attorney returns to the courtroom, we'll recall your case, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And then screen name Paulo Hernandez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Okay, I've got you here. All right, when the plaintiff's attorney returns, we'll call your case and we'll address your case then, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, for those of you who just joined us in the courtroom, I'm Judge Blake Adams. We're just waiting on the plaintiff's attorney to return to the courtroom, and then we'll be calling your case. So if you'll just sit tight, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Hello, Your Honor. Adekemi Akinwale for the plaintiff.
All right, hello, Ms. Akamale. All right, did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Mills? Looks like she just rejoined us in the Zoom room.
Yes, Your Honor. We did reach an agreement, and we're sending that to her electronically. We should get that to you within the next 14 days.
All right, very good. Ms. Mills, do you agree with that?
Absolutely.
Okay. And Ms. Mills, do you have an email address that we could send you a copy of the court order to?
Yes. P as in Patricia, Mills as in my last name.
Okay.
987@gmail.com.
All right, perfect. All right, very good. You should receive a copy of that court order by tomorrow morning. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your junk or spam folder, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Ms. Mills. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's go to Naples HMA LLC, doing business as Physicians Regional Center v. De Las Arias, 20 SC 2289. All right, and I have Ms. Arias here. All right, Ms. Akamwale.
Hello.
Hello again. Ms. Akamwale, have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Arias about any type of settlement?
No, Your Honor, but if we could have a brief moment, it'll be greatly appreciated.
Ms. Arias, would you like that opportunity?
Yes.
All right, let me make sure I've got your last four digits are 0490.
Yes.
Okay, just want to make sure I put the right people in the correct room. All right, you should be getting a notification now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, if everyone else could just hang tight until Ms. Zakanwale gets back and we'll address your case. Thank you.
Second.
All right, Ms. Zakanwale, are you back?
Yes, Your Honor, I am back, and Miss Arias should be coming back shortly. She is on the phone, so, oh, there, perfect.
Okay, I believe she's back also. Okay.
Hello.
We did a settlement agreement, and we'll be sending that to you shortly once we get it back from Miss Arias electronically.
Okay, 14 days.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Arias, are you in agreement with that?
Yes.
All right. Do you have an email address that we could send you a copy of the court order to?
Yes. So it's just my first name and my last name at iCloud.com.
iCloud.com. All right, perfect. All right, we'll make sure that you get a copy of that. If you don't see it by the morning, check your spam or junk folder.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, that brings us to Paulo Hernandez, case number 20 SC 1969. Plaintiff is Naples HMA LLC.
Yes, Your Honor. We have not had a moment to talk.
Okay, you haven't had an opportunity to speak with him?
No, Your Honor.
All right, and are you seeking that today?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, would you like an opportunity to speak with plaintiff's counsel about a possible settlement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to put you both in a breakout room. Give me one moment to assign that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. All right, you should be getting notifications of that now. Okay, if everybody will continue to hang tight with us, I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, could I call on the person whose phone number is 239-200-9604? If you can hear me, I'm trying to reach the person whose phone number is 239-200-9604. You'll probably have to press, I believe it's *2 to unmute your phone.
Hello?
All right, hello.
Hello?
Yes, can you tell me your
Yes,
name?
sir. My name is Jean St. Jose. Jean St. Jose.
Okay, give me one moment to find your case. All right, I've got it here. All right, we've got one other case ahead of you, and then we'll call your case, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and let me call on the person whose phone number is 248-396-3211. All right, can the person, phone number 248-396-3211, there?
Hello, this is Andrew Zimmerman.
All right, thank you. And I'm sorry, what was your last name again?
It is Zimmerman, C as in Charles, I-M-E-R-M-A-N.
Thank you again, Mr. Zimmerman. All right.
welcome.
We'll be calling on you here shortly, okay?
Okay.
All right, very good. Thank you. All right, looks like I have Ms. Akamwali back with us. Did you have an opportunity to speak with the defendant?
Yes, Your Honor, but we were unable to reach an agreement, and we would be looking for a trial date. Now, from plaintiff's perspective, we would, and I'm not sure if the court will entertain a motion for summary disposition at some point, but we would like to move forward with litigation as Mr. Hernandez is not in agreement with the settlement at this time.
Okay, very good. All right, so here's what the court will do. The court will issue an order that the plaintiff's attorney will contact the court's judicial assistant in order to obtain a trial date and coordinate that with the defendant, or, well, it won't necessarily be coordinated, but if there's obviously a coordination issue, then either party can file a motion for a continuance if the dates, because we have limited non-jury trial dates, if the date doesn't work. Mr. Hernandez, do you have an email address that we can include for copies of the court orders to be sent to you?
Yes, Your Honor. It's
right.
BAULOHZ.
Okay, hang on. Start over again for me.
I'm sorry. BAULOHZ111@gmail.com.
All right, let me repeat that back to you. EAULOHZ111@gmail.com.
Oh, it's P, no E. It's my name. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. All right, very good, Mr. Paulo. Or Mr. Hernandez, I'm sorry. Okay, we'll get that order sent out this afternoon. If you don't see it by tomorrow morning, check your junk or spam folder, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right, the next person I'm going to call on, or the next case is 20 SC 2159 Naples HMA LLC, doing business as Physicians Regional Medical Center, Pine Ridge v. Javier Roque Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor.
All
I
right.
don't believe we've had a chance to speak to Mr. Hernandez, Roque Hernandez, if we could have a moment.
All right. Mr. Roque Hernandez, would you like an opportunity to speak with the plaintiff's attorney to try to reach an agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna give me a moment here to set up that breakout room. All right, you should receive notifications now to enter the breakout room.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. And let me call on a person whose phone number is 239-285-3519. Two 285-3519. If you can hear me, to unmute, you'll probably have to press *2, I believe it is.
Hi, my name is Madeline Alzamora. I am calling on behalf of my father, Francisco Alzamora.
All right, give me a moment to find that case. All right, is he present with you?
He is not. I'm at work and he doesn't speak Spanish. I tried several times to call your office to see if I can change a date or time where he can call. He's trying to call himself, but I don't think he knows how to push the numbers correctly. My daughter's trying to help him and he's not getting through. So that's why I try to call so he doesn't lose it.
Okay. All right. If you could just maybe have your daughter continue to try to help him. We do have a couple of other cases ahead of that one.
Yeah, is there a way to maybe resolve the issue or anything like that that I can help on my end? I know that he had insurance at the time that he did go to Physicians Regional, so I'm not sure, is it maybe a glitch or something that they have that they didn't process it?
I don't know. You'll have to speak with the plaintiff's attorney about that. If your father's unable to join us, I'll go ahead and let you speak with Ms. Akinwale, who's the plaintiff's attorney. However, you know, the thing is, the case is against your father. I don't know if you're an attorney or...
No, unfortunately, I'm not.
Okay, so I'll let... we'll address that when Ms. Akinwale comes back, but we do have a couple other cases ahead of you, so so we'll check then, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hello, Your Honor. We're back and we were able to reach a settlement agreement and we'll get that filed shortly.
All right, 14 days sufficient.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Roque Hernandez, you're in agreement with that?
Yes, sir.
All right, and sir, do you happen to have an email address?
Yes. It's J I B E. I'm sorry. JABIEROQUE 75@gmail.com.
All right, give me that one more time.
It's like Javier Roque 75@gmail.com, but just one R.
Just one R though.
Yes.
All right, and were there numbers? I'm sorry.
75@gmail.com.
All right, perfect. All right, we'll get you a copy of that court order, and I'm sure Ms. Akinwale will stay in touch with you in order to get that settlement agreement signed.
Okay.
All right, very good. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Right, the next case we have is Naples 20 SC 1499 Naples HMA LLC, doing business as Physicians Regional Medical Center v. Andrew Simmerman. We have Mr. Simmerman on the line.
Yes, Your Honor. We have not had a moment to speak to Mr. Zimmerman. If he's agreeable, we would appreciate that time.
All right, Mr. Simmerman, would you like an opportunity to speak to a plaintiff's attorney to try to resolve the case?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you both in a breakout room. Give me one moment here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you should receive the notifications to join that breakout room now. All right, let me call on the person whose phone number is 239-465-3446. Two 465-3446. If you can hear me, you'll have to unmute your device. You'll probably have to press *3, or *2, I believe.
Hello.
Hi, can you tell me your name?
I'm speaking on behalf of Francisco Alzamora. I am his granddaughter.
All right, I believe we have your mother on the other line. If you all could just hold tight and we'll call your case momentarily.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, Your Honor. Adekemi Akinwale back. And Mr. Zimmerman should be joining shortly.
All right, very good.
We did reach a settlement agreement, Your Honor. We'll be sending that to him shortly for him to sign and return back so we can get it filed with the court.
All right. Well, do you think 14 days is sufficient?
I do believe 14 days to get the settlement agreement back will be sufficient.
All right. Mr. Zimmerman, you're in agreement?
Yes.
All right. And Mr. Zimmerman, do you have an email address that the court can forward you copies of the court orders?
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
Yes. Do you happen to have an email address that the court can have in order to send you copies of the court orders?
Yes, it is Andy C, as in Charles, at seitstudios.us.
Give me the at part again.
It's at US, as in United States. Oh, excuse me. It's Andy C at seitstudios.us.
SEEIT?
Yes, sir. Studios after that.
Okay, .us.
Yes.
All right, very good. All right, you'll receive a copy of that order. If you don't see it in your inbox by morning, check your junk or spam folder, okay?
Okay, thanks, sir.
All right, thank you, Mr. Zimmerman. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, the next case we're going to call is 20 SC 2471 Naples HMA LLC, doing business as Physicians Regional Medical Center Pine Ridge v. Jean St. Just. And we have Mr. St. Just present.
Your Honor, we have not had a chance to speak to Mr. St. Just yet. If we could have a moment.
All right, Mr. St. Just, you'll have to unmute your microphone. Okay, are you there, sir?
Yes.
Okay, very good. All right, would you like an opportunity to speak to the plaintiff's attorney to try to resolve the case?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to put you both into a breakout room so you have an opportunity to speak. One moment, please.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, very good. All right, you should be getting notifications of that breakout room now.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, and if everyone else could just hold tight with us, the next case will be Francisco Alzamora.
Hello, Your Honor. We were able to reach a settlement agreement.
Okay.
However, I do not believe 14 days would be sufficient as I have to mail the agreement to Mr. St. Just. I think he's still coming back because he is by phone. So can we have more time than 14 days, Your Honor?
Sure. Do you think 30 days is sufficient? Or more time than that?
I think 30 days should be sufficient, Your Honor. We will mail it out between today and tomorrow. Shouldn't take too long to get to him. Just want to make sure he has the opportunity to review, sign it, and mail it back to us before we file it with the court.
Okay. Did he happen to give you an email address, or he didn't have one?
That's correct, Your Honor. He just confirmed his mailing address, which is the 4633. Should be on record.
Let me check that to make sure it's the same one.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay, and it looks like he was just able to join us back as well.
Okay. All right, 4633 24th Place. Mr. St. Just, is that your correct address?
Yes.
All right, and you're still in apartment 1?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. All right, Ms. Akinwale indicated that you've reached a settlement agreement. We're going to issue a court order asking that that settlement agreement be submitted within 30 days. So I understand that she's going to be mailing that to you, and you'll be mailing it back to her, and then she can file that electronically with the court. All right, anything else we need to address, Mr. Sanders?
Yes, Honor. I'm okay.
All right, very good. You have a good day, okay?
Okay, yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Okay, the next case we have is 20 SC 2164 Naples HMA LLC v. Francisco Alzamora. And Ms. Akinwale, we have Mr. Alzamora on one line, I believe, and we have his daughter on the other line. It's my understanding that he may need some interpreting.
Understood, Your Honor. We have not had a chance to speak to Mr. Alzamora. If we can have a chance to speak with him and his daughter, that would be great.
All right. And I'm sorry, I forgot the name you gave me.
My name is Madeline.
Madeline. All right, thank you. All right, do you know if your father wants an opportunity to speak with the plaintiff's attorney about trying to resolve this case?
Yes, of course.
Okay, I'm going to, let me set up a breakout room here for you all. I'll put all 3 of you in there.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. All right, you should receive the notifications now.
Hello, Your Honor. This is Adekemi Akinwale back, and Mr. and Miss Alzamora will be joining shortly as they are on the phone. We did reach a settlement agreement, and we'll be sending it to them electronically. Mr. Alzamora did give me approval to send the settlement agreement to his daughter, and his daughter will get with him so that he can sign it electronically and get it back to us.
Okay, very good. Did they give you an email address?
Yes, Your Honor. It's Madeline, Madelin, Alzamora at yahoo.com.
All right, give me that one more time.
Yes, sir. M as in Mary, A as in Apple, D as in David, E as in Echo, L as in Lima, I as in Igloo, N as in Nancy. Alzamora, ALZAMORA, that's the defendant's last name, at yahoo.com.
Okay, perfect. All right. And I think I have Madeline back with us.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And ma'am, Ms. Akinwale indicated that you've reached a settlement agreement. She's going to email that to you, and you're going to provide that to your father for his signature and everything.
Correct.
Okay. All right. We're going to include your email address on the court orders, but we'll continue to mail copies of court orders to your father. Let me just make sure we've got the correct address. Give me one moment. Does he still live on 9th Street Southwest?
Correct.
Okay, very good. All right. Any questions?
No, all set. Thank you.
No. All right. Thank you both. Have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Thank you. All right. Ms. Akinwale, that is all the people I have. Can we go back to the 1:30 docket?
Of course, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, so on the 1:30 docket, the only case that I'm showing we had anyone show up on was Morales.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I'd like to do on those, because we were about 20 minutes late due to our network issue here at the courthouse, is I'd like to continue the ones that didn't appear, just to give them one more opportunity.
Understood, Your Honor.
All right, and I'm looking at March 4th at 2:30. Any objection to that date and time?
Let me check, Your Honor. One moment, please.
Okay.
March 4th at 2:30?
Correct.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll be able to do that.
Okay, all right. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order those cases to be continued to March 4th at 2:30. We'll send out orders on those. Now let's go to the 2 o'clock docket. And on the 2 o'clock, all right, I'm showing 20 SC 1689, Michael Camaglui did not appear. And before I set these all for pretrial, I made sure that we had return of service on these cases. So I do find the defendant in default for his failure to appear. The court will issue an order that the plaintiff's counsel supply a default judgment and appropriate affidavits in order to get that final judgment filed, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, next is 20 SC 1735 against Alberto Diaz Centra. I find the defendant in default for failing to appear. The order will be issued in that case as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is 20 SC 1764 against Savour Philogene. I find the defendant in default for failing to appear. The appropriate order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel.
Sure.
Next is 20 SC 1914, Delamath Levasseur. I find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Appropriate order will be sent.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is 20 SC 2154. Defendant is Susanna McHugh. Find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Appropriate order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is defendant, or case number 20 SC 2294. Defendant is Juan Abragoasis. Find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Order will be sent. I think that's all I've got on the 2 o'clock docket. Is that what you're showing?
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that is all the cases on the 2 o'clock.
Okay, and then last is the 2:30 docket. Case number 20 SC 1889, defendant Shirley Sacamachado. Find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is 20 SC 1949. Defendant is Baranya Charles. Find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is 20 SC 2174. Defendant Esteban Hernandez. I find the defendant in default for failing to appear. Appropriate order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Next is 20 SC 2205. Defendant is Scott Sucky. Find the defendant in default. Failure to appear. Appropriate order will be sent to plaintiff's counsel. And I believe that is it.
Yes, Your Honor, I do believe so. If I can just confirm with you on the 1:30 docket that you had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases that you will be sending out orders on.
Okay, let me just check. Yes, 9.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. Can I also ask you a question?
I'm sorry?
May I ask you a question, Your Honor?
Absolutely.
All these counties used to do the pretrial with the mediation department. Are they going to be with judges moving forward?
It's just the ones that we have a backlog one due to the pandemic when we couldn't have them meet with mediation because we don't have enough mediators to cover the backlog as well as the incoming ongoing cases.
Understood.
So all of the judges received a list of their backlog that never went to pretrial during the beginning of the year, well, beginning of 2020 up until, I don't think we started back until August or September with mediators. So we each have about 180 or 200 cases. So we're trying to get through them.
Okay, understood, Your Honor. We'll do our best in our office to continue to reach out to the defendants to see if we can get some agreement and get some cases closed out. We do try our best and make calls to the defendants. Just the ones that we aren't able to are the ones that we're here for today. So we'll do our best to get your workload cut down a bit.
Okay, well, we appreciate that.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you for your time today. And you